Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to have your reality rocked by the incredible Apple Vision Pro. This isn't just any ordinary pair of glasses, it's a mind-boggling leap into the world of spatial computing. Buckle up, folks, because when you put on these bad boys, your entire world will transform right before your eyes. Welcome to the future, my friends. Say hello to Vision OS, Apple's groundbreaking spatial operating system. It's like having your favorite apps right in front of you, but instead of living on your phone, they become a part of your space. Imagine that, apps playing hide-and-seek in your living room. Navigation in Vision OS is as easy as a piece of apple pie. With just a tap of your finger, flick of your wrist, or a few magical words, you can control your virtual world. It's like having a personal assistant right in your glasses, minus the snarky remarks. Virtual app icons floating in the air, reacting to light and casting shadows. Can you believe it? These apps in Vision Pro have taken on a whole new dimension. They come to life, reacting to light, casting shadows, and basically partying it up in your virtual space. It's like having a mini Disneyland in your glasses without the long lines and overpriced churros. But wait, there's more. With Vision Pro, you're not isolated in your virtual bubble. When there are other people around, you can actually see them, and they can see you. It's like a high-tech game of peekaboo. Plus, your apps seamlessly blend with the real world, making your photos life-size, your living room an art gallery, and wrapping panoramas around you like a cozy virtual hug. Say cheese. Apple Vision Pro comes equipped with a 3D camera that captures photos and videos with mind-blowing depth. Relive your favorite memories like a time-traveling wizard, teleporting yourself back to those special moments. Just remember, it won't help you find your car keys or that missing sock. We're working on it, though. Brace yourselves, folks, because the experiences in Vision Pro are about to blow your virtual socks off. Whether you're seeking inner peace in the Mindfulness app or craving a cinematic adventure, Vision Pro has got you covered. Picture this, a movie theater experience right in your living room. The screen automatically darkens, and voila, a gorgeous glow fills the room. You can even make the screen as big as your wildest dreams, or at least as big as your living room allows. Calling all gamers. With Vision Pro, get ready for an out-of-this-world gaming experience. Simply connect your controller and let the games begin. Immerse yourself on a massive screen with epic audio that will make your eardrums do a happy dance. Just don't blame us if you get lost in the virtual realm and forget to feed your goldfish. They'll give you the stink eye, trust me. Hey look, Apple Vision Pro isn't just for playtime, it's a productivity powerhouse too. Need the perfect workspace on the go? Boom! Vision Pro has got your back. The web comes alive in fantastic scale, text is crisp and easy to read, and browsing the internet feels like discovering a whole new dimension. And oh, Safari expands to let you keep an eye on all your open tabs. Multitasking just got a virtual upgrade. Get ready for some FaceTime magic, folks. In Apple Vision Pro, FaceTime reaches a whole new level of awesomeness. You can now see your loved one's life size, and thanks to spatial audio, their voices surround you as if they're right there in the room. Conversations become more natural, and collaborating with colleagues is a breeze. Plus, with just a glance, you can check notifications and even connect to your Mac by, you guessed it, looking at it. No mouse clicking required. But wait, there's more to Apple Vision Pro's virtual wonderland. Get ready to transform your space into something extraordinary. With beautiful virtual environments, you can extend beyond the limits of your room. Fancy watching a movie on a huge screen while being whisked away to a stunning location? Done. Vision Pro can make it happen. The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. Now let's talk about the stunning design of Apple Vision Pro. These glasses are a true work of art. They're compact and beautifully crafted, with a lens made from a single piece of three-dimensionally formed laminated glass. It's like wearing a window into another dimension. The glasses seamlessly flow into a lightweight aluminum alloy frame that fits snugly around your face. And hey, they even come with a customizable modular system, so you can find the perfect fit for your unique style. Brace yourselves, folks, because things are about to get mind-bendingly realistic. Apple Vision Pro uses advanced machine learning to represent you realistically during FaceTime calls. Your virtual persona dynamically reflects your facial expressions and hand movements, ensuring that when you're chatting, people see the real you, eyes, hands, and all. It's like being in a sci-fi movie, except it's your own face stealing the spotlight. Let's talk tech, my friends. Apple Vision Pro boasts a mind-blowing micro-OLED display system, packing an astonishing 23 million pixels into an area the size of a postage stamp. That's more pixels than you can count in a lifetime of watching cat videos. And the result? Jaw-dropping clarity that rivals a high-end 4K TV. But it doesn't stop there. The spatial audio system is top-notch, delivering personalized sound that feels like it's coming from the world around you. Talk about being surrounded by audio bliss. Behind the scenes, Apple Vision Pro is powered by an innovative dual-chip design. The M2 chip provides phenomenal performance, making sure your experiences happen in real time right before your eyes. And let's not forget the R1 chip, which processes sensor data at lightning speed, virtually eliminating lag. It's like having a team of tech geniuses working tirelessly. So, my friends, here we have it, the incredible Apple Vision Pro. It's a stunning new way to experience the apps we love, relive our cherished memories, and connect with others in a profound and magical way. The era of spatial computing has arrived, and Apple Vision Pro is leading the charge into this brave new world. Get ready to step into a realm where your reality merges seamlessly with the virtual, where the impossible becomes possible, and where your imagination is the only limit. Apple Vision Pro is here to revolutionize the way we see, interact, and immerse ourselves in the digital world. So grab your glasses, my friends, and get ready to embark on a journey beyond your wildest dreams. See the world like never before with Apple Vision Pro. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a date with a virtual roller coaster. Gotta test the limits of this amazing technology, you know? Until next time, happy virtual adventures.